All right, 9. So I've had a request on how to do questions like 9a and 9d. So 9a is, if we take a look at this question, we have 12k squared m to the 8 divided by 4k m to the exponent 5. So when we want to start this question, it's probably easier to write it with this part in the numerator and this part in the denominator. So we're going to rewrite this as 12k2m8 divided by 4km to the exponent 5. And so now what we can do is we can say, okay, well, let's look at things that have either like bases or are the same, or that we can actually divide. So what I would do first is I'd say, okay, well, at this point, if I look across here, I can't simplify this any further. I have a number, I have a k, and I have an m, and those can't get put together. And when I look at the denominator, I can't simplify this any further because I have a 4, I have a k, and I have an m, and so I can't put that together anymore. So I can't simplify the numerator or the denominator, so now I'm going to actually try to do the divisions. So if I look, I say, okay, well, 12, I can divide that by 4, so I'm going to take the 12, and I'm going to divide it by 4, and when I divide 12 by 4, I get 3. And then here I have k's, so I'm going to do k squared divided by k. Well, I know, right, I'm going to just put the math over here, that k squared divided by k, it's like there's an imaginary 1 here, so I'm going to take my quotient rule, and I know that when I'm dividing like bases, I subtract the exponents. So this is just going to be k to the 2 minus 1, which is equal to k to the 1. So I can put that k over here. And then I can do these bases because they're the same. So I'm going to divide m to the 8 divided by m to the exponent 5. So I'm going to take m to the 8 and divide it by m to the 5th. And we know that when we're doing this, again, we would apply the quotient rule. So we're going to subtract the exponent. So we're going to do 8 subtract 5, which is equal to m cubed. And I'm now going to take that m cubed and I'm going to write it over here. So my final answer is 3k m cubed. So just once again, when you have a division question, it's often easier to write it as a numerator and a denominator. Then you look for like bases and things that you can actually divide. So each of these pieces can be divided separately. So we're going to divide 12 by 4 and we get 3. We're going to divide k squared by k, so 2 minus, and remember there's an imaginary 1 here, so 2 minus 1 is 1. And then we're going to divide m to the 8 by m to the 5th, so 8 minus 5 is 3. And then we're done. Hope that helps, 9s.